Today I'm going to show you how to use the beat sync feature in CapCut. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to sync the beats of the song to these clips that I've added in here. So what we need to do is click on the actual music, which I found in the audio library just over here under music. Now we'll see that there is a marker icon over here, and here it says auto mark beats. So you have beats 1 and beats 2. Now I'm going to click on beats 1. You'll see now that it is going and it is finding all of the beats. Now every marker that you see here, you will be able to manually go and adjust all of your clips to the exact marker. Okay. And this essentially is what this will sound like. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so that's what that looks like. If you go in here again, click on your audio clip and click over here and say beats 2, you'll see that it's a lot smaller. Okay, so you can now go ahead and mark these just like this. Okay, and let's see what this sounds like. You can see that it's a lot faster. Okay, so basically what it's doing is it's literally just marking where the beats are. Of course, there's some other adjustments that you can do here. You can normalize, you can enhance the audio, you can reduce noise, and then you can also isolate a voice out of there if you would like to do that. But ultimately, that is how you auto sync your files, be that photographs or video clips, to the beats in music.